If you haven't already heard of this trendy toy before, then today's your lucky day. Poppets are here to make boredom a thing of the past. But did you know that poppets can be used for more than just popping and unpopping bubbles? I'm going to show you what else you can do with these fun toys. Okay, let's go! Our first idea is so stunning! Fill the poppet mold of your choice with cement and a few of your favorite marbles to create beautiful coasters. They're real eye catchers. Plus, they'll help keep your table clean. Does your breakfast cereal need a little boost? No problem! With the help of this poppet mold, you can make frozy fruity toppings out of yogurt and berries. Just grab them out of the freezer to start your day off right. Oh no! You have a sore throat, but your tea is cold. There's no need to throw it out. You can make cough drops out of it instead. That's just the thing to get you back on your feet again. The lighter the luggage, the easier it is to travel. With these toothpaste drops, your trip will be as smooth as can be. Just put them in a travel-safe container, and your toothpaste drops are ready for takeoff. Homemade jewelry isn't just beautiful, it's also super fun to make. Voila! Now you already have your own sparkling jewelry collection. Say goodbye to the days of bland beverages. I'm going to show you how to use a poppet mold to shake up your favorite drinks. You can use it to make tons of different kinds of ice cubes. All you need is water, juice, or fresh mint leaves and lemon juice to do the trick. Now you can transform your boring drink into something extraordinary. Cheers! Now it's time to get this party started. Try this easy trick and you'll never forget to add any of the basics to your grocery list again. You'll have a full refrigerator in no time. Do you have a cute poppet mold and tons of gummy bears lying around at home? Then why not use them to make one giant gummy bear? So yummy! Did you know that you can also cook delicious eggs in your poppet? It's so simple! This last trick is going to knock your socks off. All you need is a craft knife and hot glue gun to turn your poppet into a cool cell phone case. Which of these tricks did you like the best? Let us know in the comments section.